One of the hottest topics in the world is the climate crisis. What does nature want from us? Balance. We're doing many things, the implications of which we don't understand. That their response comes in a different time and in a different place. But nature's falling out of balance. Nature is responding. It's a living body. The still, the vegetative, the animate, we're all living together in mutuality and connection, in a certain harmony. And if it falls out of balance, then there's already a question about the measure to which we've caused it, and can we restore balance in nature? We're now in a true state of catastrophe. Our problem is the extent to which we influence our planet with our thoughts. And this is the actual problem. We still think that if we stop burning fuels and drying some pieces of land, then by that we will stop the climate deterioration. But that's not true. But at least that people will accept that. You're saying that balance is the solution. Can you give us a picture of a balanced world? A balanced world is a balanced human being. A balanced person is one who feels responsible for the whole of nature, and that he is the only factor that really disturbs everything. And therefore what follows is that man needs to see his correct and proper place and behavior. All in all, what we need is to learn from the wisdom of Kabbalah about how much nature, and in Gematria, the creator equals nature, meaning the upper general force that governs the entire universe and everything that exists in reality altogether. That this is how he treats everyone, and especially us, because we are the most developed and most corrupted creatures. And we need to cause our correction, to bring both ourselves into balance and also all the rest of the degrees of nature, so that all of us will restore balance, that will return to harmony, to a good and nice mutual form.